If you are a college student that is looking for a budget-friendly printer, then stay tuned, you won't want to miss this video. Hey, what is going on? The Printer Guy here, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you one specific type of printer that is probably best if you are in college, or really even below that. If you're in high school or you're the parent of a child that is maybe in grade school, this is going to be a great printer really for any age, but really primarily for college students. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. So I have reviewed many different printers on this channel, and I have come to find some printers that are good for office use, for business. Some of them are really good for students, such as this one. What I have found is that one of the most budget-friendly and low maintenance, something that is really just great for a student, something that's really small, compact, and lightweight. So the printer that I would highly recommend for college students would be the HP DeskJet printer. Specifically, a new one that I recently reviewed on my channel is the HP DeskJet 2855E. Right now on Amazon, sitting at $59.99. There is going to be a link down in the description below for this printer. And so I wanted to just give you the printer model up front, and now I will kind of discuss why I recommend this printer. So number one about the HP DeskJet is it's usually going to be under $100. Typically under $75. This one specifically is about $60 at the time of this recording. This price may change if you're looking at a different HP DeskJet. Those may be different, but for the most part, they stay under about $100. And that's because they're very simplified. They don't have all the bells and whistles. However, one thing I really like is that although it lacks a main screen where you can really go through some different options, you can really just use your smartphone. So you can use the HP Smart Panel app, and that app is very comprehensive. You can do all kinds of different scanning, even with your phone itself that will scan into that system. You can even connect to a PC or a laptop, so it's very versatile. And so the new technology built within this very simplified printer really can help you accomplish most of the major projects and assignments that you would have. It does, of course, all the basic printing. Number one, it is very affordable. When you look at the ink prices, you are looking at a price of about $43, and that gives you all of the colors. That gives you black and the colors, which the colors would be magenta, cyan, and yellow. Magenta is kind of a purple, cyan is kind of a blue, and yellow, of course, is yellow. And you have your black ink. So for $43, that is really on the lower end with HP. Now, I will say I would recommend that you venture out a little bit, and on Amazon, through the same link that you use for the printer itself that I have linked down in the description below, you can actually shop for remanufactured or third-party ink, which is probably going to save you about 50% or more on your ink costs. As long as they're newer listings and highly ranked, those are going to be compatible, and they are going to help you save a lot of money. So you can really add up the savings, and it could really be low cost for you to have a printer, and you'll be able to scan with this printer. You'll be able to print and copy pretty much the major functions that you would have. Now with scanning, it's one document at a time. So if you needed to scan more than one document, you would need to upgrade to something with an automatic document feeder, which some of the HP DeskJets do have automatic document feeders. They'd be a little bit more pricey, but they do have that feature. Okay, aside from affordability, is that these are very low maintenance printers, which means that you're not going to have to swap anything out or send it to the repair shop. Really, the way that these printers are built is that if there is an issue with it, pretty simple to fix, and there's not many parts that you could change. There's no maintenance box to replace. There's no print head to fix. The way that this printer functions is it is very simplified and very easy to use, very low maintenance. So that's going to be good for you because you won't have to be dealing with all these different printer issues. Now, if you did want to stick with HP, you do have 3 months of instant ink included, which is a service that HP offers that will basically calculate your usage and will give you a monthly price, usually very affordable. I have an HP printer, and I do use that service. Very good. They send me the ink that I need, and it's really automated. So if you value that, that'll be really good for you as well. One of the additional features within this printer is that it is AI enabled, and so you'll be able to figure out what that is through the HP Smart Panel app. There's some different AI features on there that you can utilize to really enhance your printer user experience. There are so many other features that this printer offers. I highly recommend that you use the link down in the description below to go in there and take a look at the different features on the Amazon listing page. But I really hope that this video ended up helping you. Again, there are so many printers out there to choose from, but when you have kind of a direction and you know that this is affordable and it has everything that you would most likely need, this is really a great option for college students. All right, so that's really all I have for today. If this video ended up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. If you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's all I have for now. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.